Go ahead, hero. Pull the trigger.
You got killer in your eyes, son. I don't see it.